Ho, 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 ho. Morning, guys. Morning, everyone. Good evening. Hey. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Slowly, slowly. But we keep it rising. How do you feel, everyone? How's your day running? Good to see you, Chad. Good to see you. Thank you so much. Let's go. Hi. Good evening out there. Good evening, good day, everyone. The first question should be, you should have, the way we finished on Friday, everyone, if you remember. Oh yeah, the way we finished on Friday. I'm gonna share with you soon, guys, the way we finished on Friday. But in the meantime, make sure to invite people. Feel free to invite people. Invite people, guys. Feel free to invite people on board. Let them know we're live, we're ready to fly, and we're happy to go. We've got two different rounds of giveaways. We're going to introduce different type of giveaways, not just the daily giveaways we do on the live stream, but we're also going to introduce giveaways that we're presenting on my YouTube videos and normal videos that I post on my channel, or YouTube shorts that I have. For example, I posted about it already. We have an extra giveaway this week. Which is also presenting you the current promotional campaign on Lucid, guys. Massive news for the Lucid, 50% off on anything. 50% on Lucid, on anything, guys, on anything. I've talked about the prices right here in our Discord. The biggest discount is for their instant funded, which is still at 50%, and I don't know the last time we've seen at $420. $420, guys, they're instant funded. Oh my gosh. Hello, good morning, good day, everyone. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. We're going to trade a lot today, and we're going to have a good time with that. Oh yeah. Having a bit of a downtrend here, but certainly 5 minute has to be visualized. Greetings. Stay green, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you, guys. We're slowly getting started. No rush. The markets will always be there. No rush. So much time to make money. And something on higher priority should be protecting the money you made. Oh yeah. Yeah, well, hopefully. Green week. Are you guys ready to see what happened Friday? In our Discord, we posted a P&L from the live stream. Let me see, where is it? There you go. This was unrealized P&L. Unrealized P&L on our two accounts. Oh my gosh. And then this is the outcome, fellas. Oh my gosh. $19,240, guys. That's how we finished Friday. 19,240 on this account. Lucid Flex. Yes. Enjoy. Cheers, everyone. 19 grand profit, guys, from being down 30 watt. This is a Lucid Flex 150,000. Look at that. We have 429 grand inside. Jeez, everyone. The 150 Flex right now is insanely discounted, around 200. With their 50% off, 210. 210, guys. With a scramble code, you get that at 210. But think about, at 420, you get an instant funded of 150,000, which is having a bigger drawdown. Right, it has a 6,000 drawdown. The Flex is having 4,500, and it's not a instant funded, the Flex. We have how many trading days we have there, guys? 41 trading days. This is the performance in 41 trading days. So this is one of the accounts. Yeah. We were down with 2 accounts. Down significantly, right? And the other one is on the other one we finished 1,520. Right? So you see where we have not been copy trading them. But this was down 15,000 realized plus 37 unrealized. So that was crossing 50 grand in loss. We recovered and we ended up in profit 1,520 on this specific one you're watching. This is sitting at 395. Thank you so much, guys. We're pressing against 270s, 280s. We're pressing, guys. Good morning, good day, everyone. Make sure to like the video, guys. We must collect minimum 180 likes to do the giveaways. Otherwise, we don't do giveaways. We gotta hit that target, fellas. Come on, like the video, everyone. Got some of the points here. Look at that, guys. We have a sparkling volatility. 50 points already. Slightly more than that. Looks pretty good. We're gonna get started trading with our YRM accounts. Continue with Lucid. Tap 1, Savius. Look at that lovely pump. 70 points. 70 points. 15 minutes wants to be bullish, guys. 15 minutes. As long as we have the ability to cross the 280s is one of the difficult levels. And then I think the market will actually target levels at around 480. So that's another 200 points. Yeah. We had a downtrend since 14th. Thursday, Friday, we were in a downtrend. You know, I'm trying to break out of that. Yeah. This is a level, I wouldn't say I'm afraid, but I would be concerned. I would be concerned having longs opened at that level. Yeah. Today's low sitting at 200 points away. No, actually even more. More than 200. No, way more. 926, guys. 350 points away. Sure. Keep on waiting. Relax and keep on waiting. You've been saying this thing, spamming my Discord. And now you're trying to spam here. If you don't have the manners and the gratefulness, you're not receiving anything while trying to play dirty games. We're not supporting that. Buenos dias, good morning, good day everyone. Great to have you on board, guys. Haha. Welcome. Still researching about it. I'm still fresh on the research process with the company. Good morning, good day, everyone. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. So where are we? Where are we with the Friday? This is where we are with the Friday. Where is it, guys? Oh yeah. 19 grand for the Friday. If you remember, we were down a lot. 40, 35, 36 unrealized losses. Finishing the day on 19 profit. Good day, good morning. Let's see if we can get some of the bears. Let's see. I'm testing out a short from here. This is becoming more and more powerful, guys. Yeah. Might just be unstoppable at this point. I don't want to fight the trend. I don't want to fight the trend at all. Good morning, good day, everyone. Might have to cut this one away. Thank you, guys. Make sure to like the video, everyone, if you want to participate in the giveaways today. Sign up for the forum, and remember, we have a giveaway running on our channel as well, which will be draw on Friday. Right, so 2 giveaways running simultaneously. That you might want to participate. I don't want to position against the price action here. Gotta cut something away. We made a new high. We're making a new high. Let's see if there is a little space here to DCA in, then DCA out. Just a little bit, come on. You have accepted a partial loss. Lovely, 1,685. We have DC'd out of this. We had DC'd out of this by trying to control the loss. 1,685. Gotta pull up my Quant Tower for the Lucid accounts. There's not much space shorting around. We got so much space with the momentum. Thank you, Ticker Cat. Thank you, appreciate it. Yeah, with Lucid we have the biggest promotion ever on 50% on any account, including the instant funded, guys. I suggest 2 accounts of 50,000 and trade them separated. This way you increase your payout chances by 100%. You double your chances basically. So 2 accounts of 50 instead of 1 of 100, buddy. Because you double the chances of the payout. And that 1 payout is gonna change the whole thing. Still not feeling very comfortable longing this from the back of my mind, even though it's clear we're running the domination show. I prefer longing retracements, pullbacks, or possible bouncing levels, but this is a form of chasing here that I'm not really fan of. Oh, look at that one, guys. Ha 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 ha. Oh, look at that one. $429,000 in our Lucid account. That's just unbelievable, right? That is just unbelievable. Discount and insurance. Exactly. You never just go for the big accounts unless you are 10 million paid for sure. Yeah, so unless we have a massive discount happening, which is at this time, and you want to take advantage of the offer in a very specific way, but then of course you also want your payout chances. It's not just about big discounts. At the end of the day, it is also a correlation with the payout methodology. 429. Yeah, we're gonna have this new little image here. Trading the flex accounts, yeah. Oh yeah. I'm in Hungary. There's not much selling pressure coming through, guys, at this levels. Price chasing becomes a must in these conditions, but the problem is that you can very easily get hit by 30-40 points reversal levels. Yeah. 30-40 points against your trade is you're gonna break your balls getting out of that. Oh. Bonjour. Hey. Good day. Welcome, everyone. Good morning. 12AC is out here. He's ready to see what we've done on Friday, 12AC. Are you ready for the 50,000? 100,000? No, let me ask you something else. Are you ready for the Lucid 50%? Instant funding at 420. Instant funding at 420 on Lucid. Lucid Direct. Where do you get at 420 bucks, $6,000 drawdown and instant funding? Watch out, guys. Look at that. $19,000, 240 for Friday. For those of you that are not familiar, we were down on this account 34 grand on Friday. We pull the trigger and it's 429. Here you go. Testing out a little short here, even though that would be something crazy, right? But you guys know, 6 minutes short. You guys know the way I need the price action to be for a highly performant day. Lucid funded. Yes, 50,000 swing. Yeah, we made plus 50k. Exactly. Exactly. Slightly more than 50,000. Have DC'd a little here. But this is an ugly price action. I can tell you this can continue. This can continue as it looks like. This can continue as it looks like. They gotta come up with a 500k account soon. Hopefully we can touch that. 70 grand. in the next 10 days, 70 grand. If we do 7,000 a day, we make 70,000 bucks in the next 10 days. So by the end of the month, we would be able to start off with a happy $500,000. Oh my gosh, lovely profit for the YRM2, guys. Lovely profit pretty much everywhere. We got in a short 4 minis, and I'm out here. 1,300 bucks profit for the YRM. Lovely. And then some good little touch. I'm out here. 3,380, guys. Oh, yeah. 3,380 profit here. Good profit on the other side. This is the first decent red candle we have. Obviously, Scrambo is shorting that and not the other. I only need a single red candle in between 20 green ones. I'm short that red. Thank you guys so much for joining. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on. If you want to be part of the giveaways, you got to like the video, be subscribed, and join the Discord. Remember, we got a Discord community of traders for free. And remember, we also run a giveaway on a 50,000 Lucid Flex in our YouTube Shorts. This one, a YouTube video we posted today. If you want to join, you want to see that YouTube short on my channel, I posted a link in our chat. Up to you guys, up to you. So I made money in this price section by shorting. There's people running. You guys saw what happened. People running for promotions, right? I don't have a watch, guys, for some reason. You have to tell me which one should I get. I was looking for a spectacular -35 and then recovering. Or that's just going to happen on Fridays. If you want something like that, you got to be here on Friday. The problem is, if you go down 35, 40 and the market is running another 300 points, you might end up 70, 80, 9,000. Oh, yeah. It looks strong. Unless and until we get the guy typing. If he breaks the door and starts typing, guys, you might get surprised. The yellow line, 474, is a supply. A supply level coming from the hourly. So in other words, resistance. 474 supply coming from the hourly. From a high time frame representation along the way, basically with a previous top that we had, giving us a movement from 29,474 right from here all the way to 28,740, right? So we had about 800 points drop. If we had 800 points drop at 474, if you go on a limit order 474 and you exit after a couple of points and you're a profit or you go trailing, this kind of situations can be most of the time, not always, but most of the time, easily get monetized. So you want to get your order filled out in a limit order. You don't want to do market order and chase the price action. You want basically the price action to fill your order from your stop losses and trailings that are getting hit in the market. So that slippage, right? You want that liquidity to fill your order, and then it drops 7, 8, 9, 10 points most of the time easily from this kind of level, so you can monetize that. Oh yeah. 965. So on Lucid, 50% of your trades must come from profits you held from trades you held minimum 5 seconds. Half of your profits must come from trades you held minimum for 5 seconds. The buying pressure is here, guys. You should not underestimate it, I can tell you one thing. But chasing is not my bread and butter. Is not my bread and butter, chasing. Yeah, I'm longing here. You know, I'm longing for a few points. Look at that. That's all I need. I'm out. That's a promotional campaign with a free case. So we never know when these free cases are, when these campaigns are created. Quite rarely, actually very rarely. We haven't seen 50% off for many months, guys, probably since Christmas time. Since we had the holidays in December, we made some money on the YRM, guys. We're no longer in $300-400 loss. We're down $25. We're down here at 1,600 after the first trade on the stream. So Lucid is doing most of the time 40% off, and extremely rarely above that. Plus, in the 40%, you don't have the instant funding accounts. But now in the 50%, you have the instant funding accounts. Oh yeah. This is still climbing if you're looking into the 5-minute perspective. It's not weak yet. No. It's not weak. There is room here. There is a downtrending resistance line, but that's not gonna be probably the hardest level to deal with. 474 is what I would target here short term. 474. If you're trading this price section, $30. After 50, it's 30. Or if you have 40%, then you can apply 40 basically. Depends what's located in your vault. Lucid is functioning in a different way, but Scrambook will always give you max discount, maximum available. 487 for Mr. Knife Art. That's good. That's good because certainly targets slightly above when we long or slightly below when we short. Usually catch that wick of liquidity existing, right? Go with the impulse, and you could touch that nicely. This is why it's the problem with the chasing, you see. As soon as you get very close to the tops, market is doing 15, 20, 25 points. And if you get scared or if you don't have buffer, you just generate losses from weird conditions of shorting. This is an inappropriate market to short, guys. Inappropriate. Thank you so much for joining. By the way, make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, let's do it. Like the video. Sign up for the giveaway that we have on the live stream, and we have another giveaway that's going to run on Friday. Extra giveaway, Lucid Flex. I posted a video out here in the chat. Thank you. I like it. $125. Oh, that's juicy. That's good. $125. $4.11. So you touched that. Congratulations, buddy. Dr. Kulu. $125 all the way to $4.11. And 4 minis is not baby money for that. If you do that on a no consistency account on Lucid, you are fixing the path there. Yeah. And it's also Monday, guys. So usually Monday lows are meaningful. They're meaningful. Usually we gotta create the structure of the week with the highs and lows. So I'm afraid today we're gonna have higher volatility than usually. Oh yeah, congratulations. Good day, everyone. Gotta trade my 5th Lucid. This is not the one. This is the one, guys. This is my 5th Lucid funded. I'm not having it yet, Fred. I'm not sure when it's gonna be ready. Good morning, good day, everyone. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. Yeah, G7 meeting. I mean, look at this price section on the 5-minute, guys. There's one thing we should not forget about. Look it into the daily. We should not forget about looking into the daily here. Who is going to mind 2,000 points retracement? Who's going to mind 2,000 point retracement, guys? We were moving, 6,000 points. More than 6,000. Who's going to mind 2,000 point retracements from here? You know, no one is going to call any bearish market situation with a 2,000, 2,500 points retracement, guys. That correction might be the fuel needed to attack levels above 30,000. There's too many people expecting here the 30 grand plus or the 30 grand touch before any significant retracement. What if we have a front running of the concept and we just dump right now and then we take it back to 30 grand? So who's going to mind 2,000 point retracements here? It would be interesting to play this theory out of a retracement right now before touching the 30,000 that's expected by retail. Again, shorting during this market conditions, we did 6,000 points to the upside. Searching for a short here is fundamentally unproductive as a swing trade. So you have to wait for the short to appear and search for a long, which is the right choice. Even by knowing the short is gonna come. The price to detect the spot of the short is such a high price, it's not worth to be paid for swing traders. Remember that, guys. So this market condition makes it so expensive to find your short of a 2,000 point. That's not worth to go for it. It's a much better choice to wait it out and search for the solution of the market bouncing. Right? Think about it, guys. Thank you so much for joining, by the way. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on. We gotta bring those numbers. I'm gonna test out a long here of 2 minis. Oh yeah, I like it. If we take this account, which is my target, to 156, it's a Lucid Flex 150,000 funded. I'm targeting 156 with this. I can take max payout. I've DCA'd two more. So I hope we get a green candle right now. Oh, crazy, classic. Okay, wow, $8 away from being blown, and that pumped requalified you. We're gonna have an exit at 403. Yeah. Probably I'm gonna sell 50% off here. No, we only have 91 bucks profit. I don't know why. Only have 91 bucks profit here. Should have secured more, guys. Wow. Oh yeah. Market opens in about 20 minutes. $8 away from being blown and can recover. Watch out how you get to the pound right now. Exactly. Stay away from trading. So I am trading the big accounts we have on Lucid next to the other ones in the trading cycle we got. They're part of my trading daily journey. We don't increase them without trying to increase the other accounts we have. So they're just part of the natural trading that I run daily for max payouts. But I wanted to get to 5 accounts ready for a payout. We have 4. This is the 5th that we made 91 bucks right now. This is funded. I want to get to this one to 156, so then I can take 5 accounts, 3,000 from each, 15 grand payout from Lucid. Yes. Indeed. Speaking about huge numbers around today. Wow. Today, it only looks simple and easy, but it's not. It only looks simple. Yeah. I got back in a long here, guys. Nah. It only looks simple today. Some situations are so toxic in terms of reading the price action that they look very specific towards a direction, very specific. They have the capability to portray so accurately something else than what's happening. That's why defensiveness, protection, is what separates during this moment between a complete loss or a controlled loss. Going 3 minutes here, have DC a little more. Oh yeah. Massive discount on Lucid, 50% off, guys. Even the instant funded, and that's just nuts, right? The 150,000 instant funded is basically $420 right now. Come on. Added one more contract here. Give me a nice runner. Waiting for that spike. If it's not moving and it rolls over, this is going to be dangerous. There's so much space downwards, guys. More than 100 points easily. Come on. I like it. Keep it running, guys. We got to go. I'll have to sell 2 contracts at some point here. Probably in the next. This is the way we're going to go about it. Could have been better here. We made some money on YRM. Funded. I only trade funded today. On Lucid, we only have funded accounts. 5 funded. $5 funded of 150,000. So we have 295 profit on YRM. This was the account that was down 1,600 earlier. The first account we traded, 295 profit. And then on the other one, we also opened up a trade. We have 1,645 bucks profit, which is great. Boom! Celebration time, guys. Come on. That's very important. That's very important. This is in a different situation here. Oh yeah. Let's see if we can do a little bouncing. Yeah. It is risky. But if you don't risk, you never drink champagne. We got it along here. 3 minis. Take it slowly. Do we have like a 1 minute trend bothering us here? I think so. What do you guys think about this possibility, as long as you got your holding? Foundation holding. Let's go, guys. Come on. I almost have my full profit here. I need 1,600. No, actually for this account I can make way more because of the consistency. We have highest day as a crazy value. I'm gonna DCA a little more here. Let's see, can we react here? Yep, they see it a little. There you go. We're max contract 7 minis. Not selling anything yet. $413 exit would be $7,000. Let's go. That's the other giveaway we have, which is running from Monday to Friday. It's a weekly giveaway. We're sharing 50,000 Lucid Flex. You gotta watch that video, guys. I have the stop loss in my mind. I never have a fixed stop loss that I put in my charts. I'm always tweaking, dealing, and adjusting real time based on the informations we receive every single second from the price action. Rip it, guys. We also got it along here 10 minis on the big boy account on Lucid. Rip it. We got a mental stop loss. No, you're reversing this. We need some energy here, guys. It's time for the market makers to step in. I don't want to dive into the 5-minute algo, which is happening in 5 minutes from now. You know, the 5-minute algo can give us a dirty move. No one's liking it. Right? With all these rejections, guys. Are these rejections here a trap? Look at that. Are they a trap? Or is it a legit signal of weakness? If it's not a trap, then the acceleration needs to appear. Yet we see there is no acceleration below this level. The ones that are pressing the pedal on the highs of this 1 minute are no longer continuing with the pedal where we get in the lows. Things might change every second we speak. As you can see, that this is already a candlestick that is becoming more and more interesting. We are waiting for something. That's kind of clear. Yes. Look at that. The whole buying pressure we had driving the price action is currently missing. Someone just turned off. Shorts piling up in this model of price action. Shorts piling up. The question is, how is the balance sitting between shorts and longs at this specific moment for the short term? Come on, rip it. Pretty much pretty much lovely to see that. Rip it. Come on, rip it. Good morning, welcome everyone. Come on, this could be a lovely moment. This could be a lovely moment. I sold 2 contracts, maybe it's a little early, but I need that profit. 2 more, remaining on 3 contracts, secured $900 profit, guys. Secured $900 profit. Looking into this one as well. I'm not selling anything here. We have $430,000 in the balance. We have to relax and let it fly. Well, this one could be a boost here. I mean, objectively, do we have here a resistance trending line? Did we just break out? Let's see. Let's see. 5-minute algo in about 30 seconds. This shouldn't be a difficult, should not be a difficult target, that one that I haven't circled. But there is a huge problem here, guys. Look at that candle. Wow. Oh yeah, break even touched, 5-minute algo kicked me out. But I might have to get back into this. 885 secured. No, I'm still watching this. I'm still watching this. If we don't react right now, I'm getting out of this whole thing. I'm not playing games with 10 minis on this price section, right next to the opening. This is a silly candle we got here from the algos. We're not playing games. Yeah, I'm getting out. I have to get out. 543 profit here. We're fine with that. Of course, this is a huge account. But the other account is basically, that's gonna 1,848 down. This is a funded, right? And we don't have buffer. We don't have buffer. Yes. Oh yeah, come on guys. Rip it. Rip it the other way. This 1-minute candles might be a trap. But the silly candle came in and disrupted a good trading environment. And now we have the brother and the sister of the silly candle stepping up. Look at that. Ha ha ha. Welcome to Monday scams. Welcome to Monday scams. Greetings, everyone. This is where we are. Greetings. Look at that. You don't even know what to do here. It's a complete gamble. So by the way this whole picture looks, it's a complete gamble, guys. This one on the 5 minute. It's a complete gamble. Wow. I guess I shouldn't be touching the price section right now. 2 minutes to go. Let's talk about prices. Let's talk about other stuff, right? The buffer. This is gonna be a movie, guys. It's gonna be called The Buffer. So, a $4,500 max loss account, bringing it to $279 profit. That's 279 profit from a max loss of 4,500. So basically from a balance of 4,500. One minute to go for the first opening of the week. That could smash you around. Less than 1 minute to go. How about, guys? How about? You know, this opening is total gambleness. If we get to 474 on the opening, I'll test a short there. 30 seconds to go. But what about this? Boom, like we just went, and then all the way back to daily opening right now, which is 135. 200 points down right now. Oh my gosh, that would just smash people away. Few seconds to go. Watch out. And here you get the bell. Quantower is lagging. Of course, why not? Quantower is always suffering, right? This is not an easy moment of... What do you guys think about the next scandal is what I care, the next scandal. Not looking bad. Made some money on that, like 500 bucks on the YRM account here. 1,385. I don't know how long. I got in a little short here. Can we double save here at this level? I think we're gonna cross. If we double save here, double protect. That's a pretty strong signal from the bulls. But we're gonna find it out. Come on. We got a nice liquidity cluster below this. 3 minis. Ah. Gotta get out. Gotta get out. Up and down, that's the way the openings are. Everyone knows that, right? Well, I'm gonna test out another short here, maybe. Not that convinced, guys, you know. I'm not that convinced. I have a single contract. Lovely for the moment. I'm out for the moment. Yeah. Made about $100. Could have been way better. 245. That would have been great. Got out early. Got out early. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Keep in mind, we must hit minimum 180 likes to do the giveaways. If you want to sign up for the giveaway, you got to do it, guys. Like the video, be subscribed to join our FirmLive. Next 5 minute, tell me. This one still has a minute to go, this 5 minute candle. But the next 5 minute candlestick, can we have another red 5 minute candle? What do you guys think? Are we going down here for this liquidity point? 240s? Or that was it, and now we're ripping. I'm wondering about the next 5 minute candle. I got nothing open because I'm afraid of being too early on longs here. I just got in a short right now just to be against your trade. Oh yeah, come on. Stop loss break even. I'm out here for the moment. Lovely. We profit $600 and this could actually go way, way lower. Look at that. $1,000 is what we made. I'm having a good time longing it from here because I'm not. I am not. Next long 250s. Next long after you put a credit card for a new account. No. I'm not feeling comfortable with the longs here, guys. You tell me. You tell me why. I feel like we're in the middle of nowhere. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You see me shorting and then you long it. Oh my. Oh yeah. This could be a level here, guys. This could be a level. Scramble might touch on a little long. 2 minis long. Let's see if I can get something out of it. Come on, the next candle. The next candle is the one I care about. The next 1 minute candle. Come on, rip it. Rip the next 1 minute candle. Rip it higher. I'm out here. $400 profit. No, we're down 1,400, but we were 2,800. You know, this could actually go way, way higher. Yeah. I'll take these profits that are sufficiently satisfying in this market conditions. Watch out for this reaction we had. I told you about it. Hopefully you got to confirm something. At this point, there's already 30 points. Oh, so you added to your longs. Let me test out a short here, 12 AC for you. It's silly, right? Shorting the bottom. Shorting the bottom here. I'm out. I'm longing there. Yeah, this is an interesting level. I'm longing it. 2 minis long. $246 is my entry for 2 minis. Look at that one, guys. 281. That should have been an entry for a short. 246 the entry. 2 minis. Oh, you don't see it. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Come on, guys. This is so good. So good. $246. I like it. Remember, 50% off. 50% off on Lucid. 2 users. Scramble coupon code maximum discount pretty much everywhere. Including the big boy Lucid and the big boy instant funding. Wondering if I should DC here for 3 contracts. Yeah, I just did, guys. I just did. I've DC'd there for 3 contracts. If we don't get a reaction here, we're gonna get slaughtered. Oh yeah. If we don't get a reaction here, we're gonna get slaughtered. And it's not looking good a 5 minute. We gotta put the panic and the pressure on 12 AC. Look at that. You wanna see this one coming all the way back to daily opening? I think I've talked about it earlier, guys. Where is it? No. Oh, that's a good reaction. That's a good reaction. Sitting on 3 minis. Oh my gosh. Can do better than this. Yeah. I'm trading Quant Tower for Lucid Prop Firm. Lucid Prop Firm, Quant Tower on rhythmic connection. Quant Tower for rhythmic connection. for Lucid prop firm. Here's the prop firm. They're having insane discounts right now, 50% off for the first 2 users. There you go. Scrambo code. And you got that one running. Wow, what a miserable reaction, fellas. No way. What's happening here? Oh my gosh. I'm fully out of this. 0. We still have $700 of drawdown on this one. $700 of drawdown. Yeah. This is hunting daily VWAP, 170s, daily opening, 135, and then 90s, right? 90s. You got the usual pump and dump for a good old happy Monday. Pump and dump. Lovely, we made $600. There you go. We no longer have 3,800. I've shorted this. And we got out quickly. What an opening, guys. What an opening. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Our giveaway starts in 30-40 minutes. 30 minutes probably, or maybe even less. $139. It has not been touched. Yeah, it has been touched. Not been touched, 139. Right? But you can't get out of your long on a daily opening. You can't get out of your long here. This is a bouncing spot, daily opening. You can't get out of your long there. Lagging so bad. Yes. Could be one of those days, guys, with unlimited dips. I'm gonna long this as soon as we undercut. Like this, 2 minis. Limit order. Let's see if we can get a little bounce here. Little bounce here. Come on. Lovely. Lovely. I'm out. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. We made $1,300 here. 1,300. Very important, guys. Oh my gosh. We were down 3,800 on the account. And now it's down 1,800. From 2 trades. Celebration for that. That's a very important celebration moment. Very important celebration moment. Only YouTube. Now that's where we touched the 139. Oh, it's not bad, AD. Certainly a good feeling. Certainly a great feeling. But I'm having a hard time doing something at this levels. Wow. We touched the daily opening earlier, so I wouldn't be surprised to see the bulls forcing. You don't want to chase the price action for the upside right now. No, no for the upside. We had 6,000 points growth in Nasdaq. Huh. Exactly. Everyone that's watching is actually turning into Scrambo's buffer. Oh yeah, this is interesting. Testing out 2 minis here. Can we break out of that? 200s? Can we clear? I'm DCing. We have 3 minis for a breakout above the 300s. This is so risky, guys, to go with long. So risky. Yeah, I sold one of the contracts. One more. I'm fully out here. Lovely. We're down 900. We recovered basically another what? Another 900, right? Haha, celebration time. So from being down 3,800, we're down $900 on this funded account on Lucid. Yeah, that was a deep one, and it was all the way 12 AC, all the way to the daily opening. There's 3 arrows, 4 arrows, 5. You can't be getting out of your longs from The most meaningful levels of the day. You gotta use the magic 9. Look at that, guys. It's running. And it might not stop that soon, right? That's a 5-minute candle that has 120 points. So I'm questioning the next 5-minute opening. I'm not touching this till the next 5-minute opening. Right, so we still have less than 2 minutes for this candle. Look at that. The next 5-minute opening, if from the opening moment has a wick downwards during the 5 minutes of its existence, I'm making money. Because if I short it from the opening of the next 5-minute candle, that moment it goes down, we're making money. I just have to know we don't have a flat opening candle that has no wick downwards. How likely is that, guys? Having no wick downwards from the opening moment of the candle. Right? That's my theory here. How likely? Yeah. Good morning, good day, everyone. Welcome, guys. Recovered some of that 3,000 loss. Oh yeah, look at that. So I'm going to short the next 5-minute opening, guys. Yeah. 10 seconds from now, I'm shorting it. I don't think we're going to have a flat candle that runs just the upside. There you go. I'm shorting the opening of it. Give me some profits here. You know, I'll take whatever dollars. But I don't think the next 5 minutes will be just about running big time for the upside. And 0 wick downwards. That would be so silly, right? So silly. 280s short 2 minis. Come on. Bring it down, big boys. Ha ha ha. Oh, yeah. Bring it down. Where is the energy? Where is the energy? Yeah. Where is the energy, guys? No. Golden pocket is coming around this level here, which might be an interesting point. 320s. Oh, you can recover that for sure. I like it. Come on. I like it. Oh, yeah. I sold one of the contracts. Lovely. Ha ha ha. I'm fully out. We're down $105, guys. Beautiful. So we made another 700 on this short. Beautiful, guys. I told you about a 5-minute candle openings. Can't really go without a wick downwards. Minimum the wick downwards. If it has a body, it's the same thing for me. Boom, as I'm exiting. There you go. So we were 3,800 down here. $700 away from the max loss. And we fully recovered. This is a funded account of Lucid Flex, the 5th one. Basically, we're bouncing on 240s right now. Ha 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 ha. Oh. Pressure keeps building. Pressure keeps building. Oh yeah, look at that. What a nasty price action. Do something. Pretty good feeling when you're recovering a funded account. Feel like I've done my job, but I think I still want to do some little money here, maybe 200 bucks or something like that. We have a opening here, an hourly opening right now. I'm afraid longing it. I'm so afraid longing it. So you guys don't want to forget, we're also running besides. Oh, we're running a giveaway from my YouTube video I posted from today, Monday, with results on Friday. The video is right there if you want to participate that giveaway too, besides the ones on the live stream. You want to make sure to watch that video and follow the steps. Can we go yesterday's low? 90s? What do you guys think about? I mean Fridays. Touching on the 90s. Which one with 80 bucks? 800, 700-800. Yes, end of the day drawdown. End of the day. No money has been lost in the last, actually made. Don't force it with longs, guys. Do not force it with longs. We got a proper rejection from the golden pocket sitting around that level, guys. Do not force it with longs. 12 AC, stop gambling around a corner again. You see, I'm I could have longed in 20 spots, but I haven't. I could have longed in 20 spots. This is not looking like that. Look at this. This is not looking healthy for long at all. And I can tell you guys, with a new fat chair, with Mr. Kevin, with such a price, have you seen the weekly candle on Nasdaq? Probably China meeting, right, is going to set a temporary top for the market. The China meeting. And there is a risk. They might resume bombing. They might resume the war. There is a risk for that. Nasdaq is going to do 2,000 points downwards. 12 AC, are you waiting for BTC down at 50? You can have it in the next month. BTC at 50 grand next month. And then back to 200. Well, China meeting might have been the top. If you see the weekly candle, and in the way we pushed till this meeting, we just pushed, we pushed. The market's been brought up artificially to this level. Yeah, I got a low target as well, I think. Yeah. They're going to fix that with the chips. They're going to fix that. But from 76 on the BTC down 56. It's not a bad choice. Look at this, guys. How weak this level is. How weak this level is. I just can't trade my way this way with longs today. Unless I do little scalping that I'm sitting in 3 seconds in a trade. Do you still believe the daily opening is going to hold here? We're talking about the 135. I'm having a hard time believing the daily opening is still going to hold, guys. With this price section here. So if they rush this one all the way back to the golden pocket and then even higher, that's such a scam. I'm having a hard time believing that. I'm having a hard time believing that. I've shorted 2 minis. Oh, yeah. Quantower is totally stuck. I just shorted right now, but Quantower is totally stuck, guys. Look at that. Hey. Like on one side we're down 1,200, on the other side we're in profit. I don't like this. I don't like this. I can tell you I don't like this. Wow, look at that. Zero continuation, zero force. I'm out of this. This has just exploded 100 points on my trade, guys. Can you believe that? I'm not trading the Asia. This just exploded on my entry. Down 2,800 on this. Unbelievable what a 5-minute candle we just got. Look at that scam, guys. Look at that scam. Yeah, I'm longing the next 5-minute candle, that's right. The next 5-minute candle. I think the next 5-minute candle has a good chance to be green. But that was so bad price action. Such a scam on the daily opening double touch. Well, yesterday's low, Friday's low is right there, 89. Not touching that is a shame. Wow. So the next 5-minute candle, wondering about. I like to have it green. If there's someone listening to me from the market makers again, I like to have it green. That's my order. Like the video, guys. We're starting the giveaways in a few minutes. Like the video if we hit minimum 180 likes. Otherwise, we don't do giveaways today. And remember, we're running a general giveaway on my channel for this specific video. You can check that out. Follow the rules. And be onboarded for a Lucid 50,000. That's a very strong 5-minute candle we just had. Unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. Yeah. Let's see what we get here. Just got into 2 minis long on this little pullback. With all the lag coming through Quant Tower. Gotta make sure to update my... Here is it, guys. Gotta make sure to update my Quant Tower. Lovely profits already. Lovely profits. Come on. We need this 5-minute candle. We need this 5-minute candle to push all the way towards 300s. We need that so bad. Look at that, guys. We need this one to push all the way to 300. Minimum here. Minimum here. I like it. I like it. I like it. Might have to cut half soon here. I'm cutting half here. Yeah. Being down 2,800 is not a good feeling. Good day, good morning. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. We have a stop loss break even. Lucid is running their biggest discounts, keep that in mind. 50% off. 2 uses only. So gotta use them smartly, your 50%. You gotta use them smartly. I'm adding to this and deleting the stop loss. I've DC'd into this for long and deleted a stop loss. We could be doing better. Could be doing better here. Oh my gosh. Adding one more contract today. Sitting on 3 minis. $287, $288 for my exit. Lovely, guys. Lovely. Keep it running. Come on. Give me that pressure. Come on, guys. Give me that pressure. Oh, yeah. Ha, 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 ha. Oh, my God. What a... Quant Tower is just lagging like never seen before. Look at that one, guys. The whole profit disappeared. Look at that. Ha, 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 ha. Oh, yeah. We were at 1,800 in profit. Now watch me closing out on this trade on minus. What a price action, guys. What a price action here. Wow. This is such a silly price action. The whole thing disappeared in 3 seconds. 5 minute is last 20 seconds of this 5 minute. We gotta step up right now. You wanna step up right there, price action? Come on. Lovely, 1,000 profit. Keep it running, guys. 1,400, 1,000. Come on. Keep it running. That's a beautiful 1 minute closing. The next one is gonna fly. The next one is gonna fly. I sold 2 contracts, so basically closed half of it. Yeah. We still have 2 minis long. I sold half of it. We're out here with the last mini. And I'm fully out. 285 bucks. That's it, guys. $285. You know, it's a day, it's a fun day. We only need a minimum 250. That was so silly from the price section and from the market makers doing games like that with me. 285 profit. Thank you, guys. Celebration time. Oh, yeah. What a recovery we had twice, basically. First, from 3,800. Boom. All the way down to minus 100, guys. Yeah, I'm trading YRM too. We traded YRM today. So we were down 3,800 here. This is a funded account that has only 4,500 max loss. Down 3,800. Recovered to down 100. And then back down to 2,800. And now recovered into the profit. There you go. 229. It's not bad, 229. But there's already too much pressure here. And the market is playing silly games with us. So I'm kind of done for today here. I can tell you that. And we're about to start the giveaways. We have no losses today. We have no losses today. Beautiful. Yeah, fighting the whole day for $250 finally in profit. It's very important during this situation is not to expect that as soon as you successfully cleared your losses, you got to do 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. So overextend your expectations in profits after you've been fighting the whole day to be break even, and you made your minimum 250, which is what Lucid requests for 150 grand accounts. Well, you just sit on that profit and be thankful. Otherwise, expect the price action to take it all from you, and I can tell you, you do not resist for another roller coaster. You do not resist for, I would not taste another 3,000 being down here right now. I wouldn't taste that. I would lose the account if I would trade like this. So this is a very important way of dealing with situations. You gotta know when to say stop. That's right. Trade closed 36 points. Haha. Oh yeah. You don't have the right green tea. You don't have the right green tea 12 AC. Nah. You're missing something. Look at that. There's nothing running here. So you're fighting the whole day. For something, and then you get nothing, right? Can we get yesterday's low? 90s, Friday's low, whatever. What do you guys think about? Double rejection on the 5-minute from the golden pocket, which is slightly on around the 300s. I think the risk is there. We're going to overcut here or undercut there and reverse. That might be interesting. Overcut or undercut and then reverse. Ha ha ha. You gotta blow a few accounts to release the pressure. Wow. Alright guys, so time to buckle up for the giveaways. Time to buckle up for the giveaways. Remember, we have multiple things running. But right now, Lucid is running hell out discounts. So what do we need? We need a ducks, right? We need a wheel. We need a Dachshund wheel. Dachshund. Dachshund wheel, Dachshund. Watch this price section. My question today is for the 90s here. I'd like to see that 90s touched. I'd like to see that. Good day, Wani. Congratulations for that, Wani. $3,000 profit today. You want to relax on it. Relax, buddy. You need 3,000 more, and you're good to go in your funded Lucid Flex of 100,000. It's beautiful, man. 100,000 again. Lucid is right now running their biggest promotions ever. But for the 50%, you got 2 uses. Alright guys, so we're going to slowly take care about the giveaways. So we're going to get started with the Tap 1 futures. We're going to get started with the Tap 1 futures. Yes, I still trade Savius. Yes. We have 60 or 65% off on Savius. Oh, $200 away from blowing up your flex. If you can take it to $500 away, I suggest you to stop trading for today. Right? So if you make $300 right now, start trading for today and resume tomorrow with a $500 buffer. It was not an easy day at all, guys. It was not an easy day. But we've survived this. Some of us survived this. So here we are, guys. Listen up. First giveaway. Tap 1 futures, $25,000. Instant funded. End of the day drawdown. End of the day drawdown, instant funded, $25,000 from Tap 1 futures. One of our community members wrote today, look at that, on Ignite account, from an account he won on giveaway, he got, look at that, lovely profits. Look at that. One of our community members, guys. Respecting 15% consistency. 15% consistency. From a giveaway account, he qualified to payout, and he requested a payout today from Tap 1 futures. I think that's a great achievement, right? That's a great achievement from a giveaway account to get a payout. Alright, fellas, remember, we're also running a giveaway. Yeah. So what you gotta do to join this giveaway on the live stream, you gotta fill up the form here. Fill up the form there, guys. Everyone fill up the form there. Run down on your risk management for sure. You want to run down. And there's no reason to get tilted. It's not going to be better. Nah. It can only get worse if you get tilted. It can only get you closer to total losses. So once you completed a form, you want to like this video, guys. Be subscribed to the YouTube channel with the notification bell turned on. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time, and then you want to be part of our Discord community, guys. Only one guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Do not spam. Do not do dirty games. Between 0 and 9. Guess the number, guys. Start right now. Between 0 and 9. Let me know your best choice. A single guess per person. No spamming. Oh, the business lens is back. Friday. Remember, business lens down 35 grand. We finished the day plus $18,000. Certainly not a surprise for the majority of us. You had a very good feeling with that. Oh my gosh. Run. Run the Nasdaq down to 90s. 21,090. 100 points down from here. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. No more. Shuffle and we're good to go. Best of luck, everyone. It's not going to be 926. No, could it be the 0? I think it's the 0, guys. Congratulations. I think it's the 0. 0 for a Monday. That's how we kick off with a 0. Yeah, this is the first giveaway, guys. Congratulations for the winners. We've got you here with a 0. That's a good one. That's a good one. Time for the duck race. Time for the duck race. Oh, there's just a few winners out there. Look at that. 15. Oh my gosh. 30 seconds competition time. The best rank is going to win this. Only 15 players, guys. Can you imagine? This is the least picked number. Well, look at a 12 AC. Luchuk. Luchuk is the winner. Congratulations, buddy, Luchuk. Luchuk is the winner. Did you fill up the form? We're gonna find it out. Luchuk. There you go. Congratulations. You got this one. 12 AC on the 3rd. Not his day, but look at that. Oh, yeah. Let me open up a Quant Tower. We're back to the daily opening. However, congratulations. Second giveaway, guys. I think we have an active trade on Quant Tower. Just gotta verify that, guys. I'll show you very soon. I think we left something active. Beautiful. So, what's the next giveaway? It's a Lucid. It's gonna be a Lucid Flex, guys. 50,000 Lucid Flex. 50,000 Lucid Flex for the next giveaway. This is the second one for the day. Let's see what we can get here. And we got that Quant Tower open. Why is this? Never mind. This is going to go lower. I'm fine. I got a short, guys. A juicy short. Alright, so 50,000 Lucid Flex. Watch out for the numbers. We're going to do 0, 1, 2, 3. That's it. You can start right now. Start right now. 0, 1, 2, 3. Let me know your best choice. 0, 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, 20 grand profit, guys. We have a 20 grand profit. We have a 20 grand profit. Where is it? Oh yeah. Keep on pulling the numbers. We got 20 grand profit here. 15,000 and 20,000 profit. Oh my gosh. 10 minis on both sides. Look at that. This is 20 grand profit. This is 17 grand. I'm not exiting my shorts. Let me know your best choice between 0 and 3, guys. Come on. Get me down to 90s. I've been talking about the 90s. No one believed me, but I've been preaching about the 90s. No one believed me. Been preaching about the 90s. Yeah. Stop right there. No more guesses, it's over, guys. Stop right there. No more guesses, it's over. 24,000 profit. I'm out of this. And I'm gonna be out of the other account too. 24,000 profit, guys. Look at that. What an obvious situation. And the other one, 25,920. Oh my gosh. Boom. 24,000 profit here. Oh my gosh. So what do we have to do? Shuffle. And we're good to go. We touched the 90s, guys. Look at that. We got to shuffle this. The wheel is spinning, guys. The wheel is spinning. We're down to 50s. That's going to be another 0. That's going to be another 0. I told you the 90s 12 EC. You didn't want to short with me and make money today. Come on. Let's go. Of course. Giselle, we're always doing it. Which profiter do I have the 400k account? If you ask me that question next week, you gotta ask me with a 500k. There you go. Congratulations for the winners. We got this. 0 for the winners. Lucid, 150,000. That's what we traded. Lucid, 150,000. Oh, look at that one, guys. Beautiful. I had to exit. I had to exit. We got to focus on the giveaways, and we made enough money with that, right? Congratulations for the winners with 0. None. We started at 150. 150 Lucid Flex. No 400,000 accounts. We started at 150. So we made it from 150. It was a drawdown of 4,500. Let's see. We got 45 winners here for the second giveaway today. Beautiful, guys. Come on. Oh, yeah. 47. You guys want to go 1 minute competition time? Let's do it this way. I'm very happy. I'm very happy. Oops. So, you know what I'm going to do? Because I'm very happy with this performance. I'll give you an extra giveaway right now with Lucid. We're going to do 2 accounts of Lucid. 50,000 flex. 2 accounts, everyone. 2 accounts. 2 accounts. 2 accounts. And we're going to do 2 rounds. So, first one plus third plus the last will qualify second round. First, third, and the last will qualify second round. Let's go, guys. First, third, and the last. Very happy. I'm doing 2 accounts for you. Who's going to win? But who's the second? Oh, there you go. Market Profile is winning this. Congratulations, Market Profile is winning this. Steven, you got to be the second. Oh my gosh. So, first, third, and the last. Vidluchuk is qualifying for the second round. He has a big chance. He has a big chance to win because we're doing 2 accounts. Market Profile. You're not bad, Cabrera. But who's the last? Bruno. CSTP Bruno. Oh, Bruno. You got this. You're moving for the second round, Bruno. Let's just verify. Bruno, did you fill up the form, Bruno? Bruno, come on. Bruno, CSTP. There you go. Congratulations. You got this, Bruno. And then we have market profile. Vidluchuk is having crazy. And then obviously, Vidluchuk, the one that been last time, is here. Vidluchuk. Wow, crazy. So we got Vidluchuk, we've got Bruno. And market profile, there you go. But now think about it, guys, it's 30 seconds competition time. And 2 of them will win. The question is, which 2 of them? I can tell you, the second plus the last will win. The winner, actually, the first rank, is not going to receive anything. So the second and the last will win. Yet once again, our community is going to reward laziness, guys. The second and the last is going to win. Don't be the first. You're not winning anything. We're sharing 2 accounts, 2 Lucid Flexes, because we had the market makers trembling with those shorts. Look at that. Vidluchuk, you're first. Look at that. Oh yeah, we got this. We got you in the trap. We got you in the trap. Oh my gosh. We've got you in the trap. Yes. Oh yeah, look at that. Bruno and market profile, the winners. Bruno and market profile, the winners. Almost won 2 accounts in a row, exactly. So Bruno and market profile are the winners. Congratulations, going for the YRM, guys. We don't have trades running around, look at that. We have perfectly exited this. 24 grand profit. And we got the buffer, 453. Time to focus for the 3rd giveaway. Oh yeah. There's nothing better than running buffer. So yeah, the second and the third ranked are the winners. Oh yeah. We're gonna share 50,000 YRM for the last giveaway today. 50,000 YRM. Bring it up, guys. 50 grand YRM, which is still running their cheapest accounts in the props. Cheapest evaluations. Oh. Remember, guys. Remember. We have another Lucid Flex giveaway on the last video I posted. My last YouTube short. You want to join that as well. We only have 60 people joined. Remember, after you watch this, that's the place you gotta go. So listen up, guys. We're only have 2 numbers. Number 2 and 777. So 4 entries. You can start right now. Number 2 and 777. I'm gonna show you quite soon, guys. I'm gonna show you soon. I'll show you soon, guys, the video. Number 2 and 777. Let me know your best choice, guys. Let me know your best choice. This is a 50,000 YRM account. A single number 2 and a 777. You can stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. Alright, so this is the video I'm talking about, guys. You can find it on my YouTube channel. You just gotta go to shorts. Right? And this one, 50,000 Lucid Flex. We're doing a giveaway here. Yeah. So are you ready, guys, for me to shuffle? Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck, guys. That's going to be probably the number 7 on blue. Yeah, number 7 on blue. Number 7 on blue. Nada de nada. There you go. Number 7 on blue. Congratulations. What a good runner on Nasdaq. Yeah, 150 points. 50,000 YRM right now. 50 grand YRM. I guess we have a ton of winners. 151. Purple Ninja Fact leading. 153, guys. 30 seconds competition time. We gotta be quick on this one. Listen up. First ranked plus third will qualify second round. Only 2 ducks. First plus the third. First and the third for the second round. Oh, there we go. Valorant highlights. And Neve. Oh, congratulations, Valorant highlights and Neve. There you go. Congratulations that you filled up the form. Yes, Valorant is here. And a Neve. Are you here? Yes. Good. You guys will compete for 30 seconds. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck right there. You know who's gonna win? Let me tell you. Second ranked is gonna win here. Second ranked. Attention, guys. Second ranked. Thank you so much. Second ranked. We reward laziness. Second ranked is gonna win. Valorant is the winner. Congratulations. Oh my gosh. There you go. Valorant, congratulations. 50,000 YRM goes out to your pockets. That's a beautiful one. Here we are. Good job. Good job, everyone. Good job. Beautiful. Beautiful day, guys. Lovely times out here in the markets. Look at that. We are unstoppable for the shorts. Probably going to keep up like this. Probably going to keep up like this. Thank you so much once again, guys. Remember, Lucid Flex. Lucid, actually, overall, running a massive promo. You want to watch this video on my channel, it's amongst the shorts. We're going to start doing giveaways under the shorts section as well. And then follow the rules explained in this video to qualify. Thank you once again, guys. Looking forward to it tomorrow. In the meantime, we keep it up on Discord.